Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code VIKAS10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are talking about a very important initiative, that is Vibrant Village Program the second. If we talk about this Vibrant Village Program, it was initially launched in the year 2023, right? It was originally launched to assist the development in the villages across the China border, right? To assist development of villages along China border. That was launched in 2023. This was the Vibrant Village Program, right? And here if we see this, with this expanding of this program, we are seeing that various borders such as the border of Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar are also covered, and now we are focusing on almost 1954 strategic villages that are along the border of these countries, where we will be focusing on assisting in the development of these villages. Better infrastructure will be provided here. Better infrastructure such as your better roads, better connectivity, better hospitals for the general public there, better education for them, right? Better economic conditions for them will be provided. This is a central sector scheme, right? So take a note, this is 100% funded by the central government, right? And now the second version of this Vibrant Village Program 2 has been launched, and under this 6 important villages that are in the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory has been lately added. Which are those? Bobia village, Kadiyala, Gajnal, Karol Krishna, Rathua and Gujjar Chak. These are the 6 important villages that have been recently identified and added in this Vibrant Village Program. Right students, very important, you should know about this. Also, if we talk about this, here you can see, in a push to strengthen the development infrastructure, 6 strategic located border villages in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua district have been brought under the center's Vibrant Village Program 2, aiming for full saturation of the welfare schemes. The villages, as we just discussed, along the international border were identified at a meeting chaired by the Kathua Deputy Commissioner Rajesh Sharma on the Saturday, stressing the need for the impactful execution. Sharma directed the officials concerned to ensure timely implementation of the finalized plans with regular monitoring and close interdependent coordination. It highlights the importance of community participation. Here, Sharma has called for the active involvement of the local stakeholders to ensure the sustainability of the initiatives. Correct? Here you can see first program launched in 2023 and the second one, it was launched in 2025. Right? April 2025, the second version of it was launched. Here a high-powered committee will be constituted under the chairman TV Somnathan, the current Cabinet Secretary of India, to examine the recommended suitable relaxations in the scheme guideline. Here the focus area will be on 4 thematic theories such as your all-weather road connectivity, telecom connectivity, television access and electrification. Correct? So this is your Vibrant Village Program. Now students, let's discuss some important MCQs about various schemes that are changing the landscape of India. First, under the expanded Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana scheme, what is the primary eligibility criteria for the new Vay Vandana cards? All the citizens that are age 70 and above, regardless of income, are included here. Then second, which AI-based multilingual assistant was launched under the Bharat Vistar initiative in 2026? It is Bharti. Third, what is the target number of the urban families to be assisted under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0 phase? So target number here is 1 crore. Fourth, the government has recently revised the Lakpati Didi scheme target. What is the new goal for the number of women to be empowered here? So the new goal is 6 crore rupees. Next, 6 crore number of women will be targeted. Fifth question, how many units of free electricity per month does the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana aims to provide to households? So the target here is 300 units of free electricity. Sixth, under the PM Vishwakarma scheme, what is the value of the toolkit e-vouchers provided to traditional artisans? Right option is 15,000 rupees. Seventh, which portal is being used to register gig and platform workers for societal security benefits as of 2026? Right option is e-Shram portal. Eighth, what is the revised deadline for achieving 100% rural tap water connection under Jal Jeevan Mission? Right option is December 2028. Then ninth, PM Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana specifically targets which areas? It targets 100 low productivity districts. Then 10th question, what is the corpus of the new deep tech fund launched under the Startup India 2.0 in January 2026? Right option is 10,000 crore rupees. So these were your important MCQs based on other welfare schemes, and this is Vibrant Village 2, under which these 6 villages has been added, which is in the Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. So that's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.